Hello friend, welcome back. We have added the much awaited and most asked feature in TestCase Studio Pro. Yes, rerun and replay the recorded test cases in TestCase Studio Pro. Now you will be able to rerun the test case as well as you will be able to export the Playwright script. Yes, you will be able to download the Playwright script for the same test case, as well as now you will get the Playwright locators as well for each test cases recorded in TestCase Studio Pro. And yes, it is super advanced feature compared to the free version which is available TestCase Studio, and in that also this rerun feature is available now, but here in Pro it's super advanced. You will be able to record a script for multiple test cases. You will be able to record the script for each and every recorded test case. You can resume the recording, you can close the window again in the same test case, you can continue the recording, and all those features are available. So let me show you guys how you can get this feature. You will not have to do anything extra, just keep using the TestCase Studio Pro the way you are using, and this feature is already available in TestCase Studio Pro version from the 2.6.1 version onwards. So let's see how you can use this. So you just go to your any page the way generally you keep doing the testing, so and open the TestCase Studio Pro window like this, and you just start your testing like anything. You are filling any values here like this, so whatever you used to keep doing, and let's say we have done these many steps we have performed. Now you just go here, you will see that run button, pause. So this is the new row, the new thing related to, or for, like you can see, for running the test case, downloading the script. So here to rerun this particular recorded test case, just simply click on the run button here, and you see that it has opened the window, filling the data here. Whatever actions we have performed, it has done, and by default it will keep window open. So if you want to close the window, you can select the option to close the window after run. So here we have kept it open, so here you can see that it has filled the value like this. Now here you can see that steps, URL, whatever column names were there, they are there. Here you will see that Playwright column as well. So now we have added the Playwright column, which will have the Playwright locator for each and every element where you will perform the action. Also here you have the export and import button. So if you want to export this script, just click on export and the script is downloaded here. Here, while, like, let's say you are running the script, okay, so here in this case, let's say you want to close the window. I will again show you guys. Let's close the window. So let us close this window here, okay, and open this. So here let's say we again run. This time it will close the window. Run this, this time it will close the window after performing all the actions what we have just captured, and it will close. All the steps has been completed. Suppose you have, like we just downloaded, you want to import that script. So let me just save and continue. So here it's a fresh window, click on import, and here you can export the script. Okay, so just click on open here, and you will see the options here. Import only, if you will click on import only, these steps will get listed here in the same format. If you want to import and also want to start the execution, then click on this. It will import, list down all the steps, as well as it will execute those steps. So here you can see that it is filling the values as well and performing the actions. So this is how you can import, export the script as well. And the number of test cases, like let's say if we close this TestCase Studio Pro, so earlier also you were like able to close the TestCase Studio Pro and you were able to continue the recording from the steps where you have left. So again click on this, and you see that if you want to continue recording from this particular step, then you can continue. If you want to record the new test case, you can record the new test case, and then you can continue. So here if you go to, like let's say you go to test case 1 and you want to run this particular script, you just click on run button, and it will open the that particular test case, and it will start executing them. Okay, so this all are the SelectorsHub pages. Let me just say click on this new test case here, and we'll record for some other page. Like let's say we go to flipkart.com. Here you can search for anything, and whatever actions you will perform, it will, and here you see that, just click on this, and here, there you go. If any locator will change, it might fail because this is a very big page, but whatever locators will not change. Generally it also keep the backup of the locators, so if it is not really dynamic locators, not really search page or something which every time got changed, otherwise it will always work like in these cases. Okay, so this is how you can record the test cases, download the script, rerun them, and most of the time the script will work. If any will fail, it will show you the alert like this, that locator got changed and what is the region. At any point of time, let's say you are running the script here, this script is running. Okay, you go to this window, you want to pause, you can pause this. So here you can see that if you want to do some debugging or anything, then in that case you can pause, resume this, it will again start continuing, again you can pause. If you want to stop, you can click on stop as well. So those actions are also available. Here it shows the normal, so basically like for every step, for every locator it will wait for 0.8 second. If not, then it will fail. You want to make it slow, you can make it slow as well. So these are the new functionality which we have added in TestCase Studio Pro. Hope you guys will enjoy, and this will save a tremendous amount of time to manually reproducing the bug. Now you can reproduce the bug right there from TestCase Studio Pro just by clicking on the run button whenever you find any kind of bug, and you can download this script, Playwright script, which you can utilize, or you can at any point of time you can import and run from TestCase Studio Pro. You can also import in your framework and all. Do let us know in the comment section how much this feature is helping you guys, and if you guys are enjoying TestCase Studio Pro, please give this tool a 5-star rating in Chrome Store and share it with others. And if you are looking for to take the subscription and you want to know all the features about it, just go to here, Pro Plans, under TestCase Studio Pro here, and you can find all the details and subscription and all those things. Take a free trial, give it a try if you haven't taken it yet. Thank you.